Glowin fam, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm excited to have you here. Today, we're starting a journey to reveal your natural radiance with a DIY, drumroll, Glowin Face Mask. Get ready to pamper yourself. Yes, I said it. Get ready to pamper yourself and let your skin glow from within. And yes, and this is gonna be lots of fun, so make sure you enjoy it, okay?
Welcome to the club, we're on this journey together. Find your inner glow, we'll be glowing forever. Welcome to the club, we're on this journey together. Find your inner glow, we'll be glowing forever.
Let's kick off our glowing journey with this incredible DIY face mask. The secret to radiant skin is often found in your kitchen, and today we're blending some amazing ingredients. Here's what you need. 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Raw honey naturally locks in moisture, giving your skin a soft and hydrated sensation. Yogurt brings in a lactic acid for a gentle exfoliation, and turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, helps brighten the skin. Now, let's mix these beautifying ingredients together. Who's ready to have some fun? So feel free to adjust the quantities based on your preferences. This mask is all about customization and catering to your skin's unique needs. Comment below your favorite DIY skincare ingredients or your favorite DIY skincare mask. Before we let this mask work its magic, here's a fun fact. Did you know that honey has been used for centuries for its healing properties? Ancient Egyptians even considered it a gift from their gods. Now, let's tap into this divine glow. Before we apply the glowing mask, I got to change my shirt and I'm going to apply gloves because the turmeric, I have a little secret for you. Turmeric is known for staining your nails, your hands. So I'm gonna throw on some gloves and a shirt that I really don't care about that's gonna get dirty because I'm not trying. I'm trying to have lots of fun here. I wanna have fun, but I'm not trying to stain my clothes. So I'm going to put on a shirt that I don't care about staining, and I don't wanna stain my nails either. So I'm going to just throw on some gloves, okay? And I suggest you do the same too if you don't want your beautiful nails, to get stained. In your cute shirt to get dirty. All right, so it's time to apply our glowing mask. So here's my mask. I had to wash my face because I have makeup on still. So I'm going to, again, I got gloves on. Change my shirt because I don't care about getting this shirt dirty. Okay, tie my hair back as well because I'm not trying to stain my shirt that I had on before, or nor am I trying to stain my nails. So I'm going to apply the mask. I'm just gonna do it like, I'll tell you this much, it's cold and it feels like really good on my face. My face just feels like no, but it feels good, like it feels good. I didn't put mine like too thin because I don't want it to run off my face. Because I have to let it sit for like 15 minutes. So I don't want it to be too thin. And it's gonna be sliding everywhere. And you just want to be careful like with your eyes. You want to go around your eyes. I'm not gonna lie to you, this feels really good. Just like, it's so cool. I think it's like the yogurt and just like, it just feels good. It just feels good, all right? Don't judge me. It feels good. Let it sit. 15 minutes. All we got is 15 minutes. You know, 15 minutes. So we can let it sit for 15 minutes while we let the ingredients work their magic. I still have like, this is the consistency of my mask, and I still got lots more, so you know. See, I just took off my gloves and my hand. So that's why I said turmeric. It works magic. So while we're waiting for the mask, you know, for the 15 minutes, while we're waiting, let's chat. Let's chat. Let's chat. Have you ever tried a DIY face mask before? And if you have, comment below what face mask you tried. What's your favorite ingredients? What you like about it? If you want me to try more DIY tutorials on my channel, because I'll try them. Put them below and I'll try them. Why not? I'll try them out and see how I feel about them and give my honest review.
15 minutes later.
Well, Glowin fam, welcome back. It's been 15 minutes. Time to take off the mask. As you can see, the mask is kind of dry. Some areas are dried. I don't know if you can see. But some areas are dried. This area is really, like you can see, it's like very moisturized. I feel like I'm gonna take it off. I have to put new gloves on because again, I'm not trying to dirty my nails. And I feel like my face is gonna be nice and moisturized. Feeling good. So let me take off the mask. And this is the final product. Ooh, look at that glow. I'm loving the glow, and I hope you are too. But before we wrap up, all right, I'm asking everyone who's doing this DIY to share their post-mask glow experience in the comments, or if you have a friend that likes DIY skincare, share it with them. Tag them, tag them, tag them, tag them, tag them, tag them. Well, that concludes our DIY glowing face mask segment. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful journey with me. If there's any other DIY that you would like to request, put them in the comment below. Also, don't forget to like this video, to subscribe for more glowing content, and to share your DIY experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep shining bright, Glowin fam.
Keep on glowing.